our 500 pounds ice maker. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a length of 30 inches, a depth of 32 inches, overall height, we have 69 inches tall. Height for the actual bin itself, we have 46 inches tall. And the measurement for the actual ice maker, we have 22 inches. Scooper included. Measurements for the internal storage will include 27 inches in length, 28.25 inches in depth, and an overall height of 25 inches tall. 25 inches is from the bottom to the top of the slide where the ice will be dispensed and drops into the bin. On the left and right area of the ice maker will be filters that can be removed for cleaning. Coming to the left will be a digital display to operate and run this ice maker. On the bottom will be the ETL certification sticker along with the technical specifications for this ice maker. Coming to the back, we have our water in and outlet connections along with the 110/120 voltage plug. Ice maker will include the filter along with the water and corrugated hoses and fittings to hook up this ice maker. Please note that the entire ice maker is stainless steel covered in film. So to remove the film, just rip off the sticker that surrounds the bottom and top of the unit, and behind the film will be the stainless steel layer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.